Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a 5 marks question from the CBSE Supplementary Exam 2025. Let's look at the question. From a solid cylinder of height 2.4 centimeters and radius 0.7 centimeters, a conical cavity of the same height and the same radius is hollowed out. Find the volume and the total surface area of the remaining solid. Now they've said that there's this cylinder here out of which a cone is hollowed out, which means it's dug out of this cylinder. Okay, so there's this cylinder out of which the conical cavity is dug out. And the height of this conical cavity is as much as the height of the cylinder. And the radius is the same as the cylinders. So the radius is given as 0.7 centimeters and the height is given as 2.4 centimeters. And here they've asked you to find out two things. You have to find the volume and the total surface area of the remaining solid. Okay, so how do we find the volume of the remaining solid? Volume of remaining solid would be equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone that had been hollowed out. Hollowed out means it's dug out and removed from it. Okay, now we know that the formula to find the volume of cylinder is pi r squared h. From this we have to subtract the volume of the cone, which is 1 by 3 pi r squared h. So I can take out pi r squared h common out and I would have 1 minus 1 by 3 in the bracket. So pi r squared h times 2 by 3. Let me substitute the values. So 22 by 7 into r is 0.7. So 0.7 times 0.7 because it's r squared times h, which is 2.4 times 2 by 3. Now this goes 0.1 times here and 0.8 times here. And we would get 2.2 times 0.1 is, 22 times 0.1 is 2.2 times 0.56 times 2. And this would give you 2.464 centimeter cube. Okay, now in order to find the total surface area of the remaining solid, we need to know the slant height of the cone because that's used in the formula. Okay, so let's find out the slant height of the cone. Slant height L is equal to root of r squared plus h squared. That is square root of r squared, which is 0.7 squared, plus h squared, which is 2.4 squared. So that will give us root of 0.49 plus 5.76, and that's equal to root of 6.25, and that's equal to 2.5 centimeters. So we know that the slant height of the cone is 2.5 centimeters. Now let's find the total surface area. Total surface area of the remaining solid. Now how do we find that out? It will be as much as the curved surface area of the cylinder, the area of the base, and the curved surface area of the conical part. Okay, so we have to add up three things. We have to add the CSA of the cylinder, that is the curved surface area of cylinder, plus area of base, plus the curved surface area of the cone. Okay, now we just have to substitute the formula here, which is CSA of cone we know is 2 pi r h plus area of base is pi r squared plus the curved surface area of cone is pi r l. In this you can take out pi r common and you would have 2h plus r plus l in the bracket. Let's substitute values. So 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 2 times 2.4 plus r, which is 0.7, plus L we had found out is 2.5. Okay, so that's equal to 2.2 times 4.8 plus 0.7 plus 2.5. So that's equal to, if I add all these three up, I'll get 8. So 2.2 times 8 gives me 17.6 centimeter square as the total surface. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.